Right, so this question is again a limit question in which we are supposed to do some algebraic restructuring before directly putting the limit. As if you directly substitute the limit into it, you will have the square root of 2, which is 4. So 4 minus 4, you will be having a 0. Although 0 is not the right answer. So let's just try to solve this question. Let me just rewrite the main statement here. X is approaching to 2, and in the numerator we have x square minus 4, and in the denominator we have 3x minus 2 subtracted by x plus 2. What you can do, you can rationalize this fraction. It will restructure the denominator. So just try to rationalize and writing it again. You have this x square minus 4. In the bottom you have 3x minus 2 minus x plus 2, which is multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate will be 3x minus 2, and then the plus. This plus makes the difference, plus, and then x plus 2, and same thing in the denominator, plus x plus 2. Now when you will multiply, don't forget the sign of equality here. So limit x approaching to 2, and we are having x square and minus 4, and then this thing 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2, and the main change is happening in the bottom. You will be multiplying these two denominators, and you will just having, when you will multiply this 3x minus 2 with this 3x minus 2, you will be having a 3x minus 2, and you will get rid of this square root, and a minus between two true fragments, and the second fragment will also be treated like same. You will just get rid of the square root. Now moving forward, x approaches to 2, x square subtracted by 4, and on this side we have 3x plus 2 subtracted by x plus 2, and in the bottom when you will simplify this thing, you will be having 3x subtracted by x, which is going to be 2x, and then minus 2, and then okay, when you will multiply this negative sign with these two terms, both of these terms will get negative, and you will treat them like the negative terms. So this will be a negative 2, this will be a negative 2, it will be a negative 4. Okay, so if there is any confusion, you can just ask me about it. So if, here you can see if we take 2 common from the denominator, we have x minus 2, and on the numerator you can make factors of this term. You can rewrite it like x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. If you simplify, you will again have this same thing. I haven't made any difference. It's not different, it's the same thing. I have just make the factors of it, and the rest of the thing will be same, subtracted by x plus 2. I think I am missing a plus sign here, so it was supposed to be a plus. Now you can see that these are the same terms. These can cancel with each other, and now you are in a position to substitute the limit, because you are only having 2 in the denominator, and on the numerator 3x plus 2 subtracted by 3, Okay, it was x plus 2. Now at this position, if you directly substitute the limit, you're not going to get a 0. So if I substitute the limit, you will just have to replace every x with this one with 2. So 2 plus 2, and then 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2, not subtracted, added to 2 plus 2, and then divided by 2. So in this way I have 4 here, and in this I am having 6 plus 2 plus 4 divided by 2. I can cancel this 2 with this. I will having 2 here. So in this way we are having 2 multiplied by 8. So if I'm having a 4, it's going to be 2 into 2 plus 2, which is going to be